You're not supposed to be up here. This is my assistant for today. You don't have to go to a restaurant to get quality cashew shrimp. You can make it at home and it's so good. It might even be better than from a restaurant. Not that you'll ever know. Now I'm going to make the sauce for the cashew shrimp. So we need soy sauce. I'm using low sodium, rice vinegar. I've got hoisin sauce. If you've never bought it before, it's really good. Get the rest of that out of here.
That's like the secret ingredient to this, right?
The not so secret ingredient, right?
I mean, that's where all this flavor comes from.
Yeah, a lot of it. Okay, we've got ginger. I would use fresh, but this is so much easier. I've had trouble with fresh ginger. You buy so much of it and then it's left over. You just don't use it that much. At least I don't. Maple syrup. Everything's good with maple syrup. And garlic, which is fresh because I use it a lot. This is going to be so good. Okay, then we're going to move over to the stove. On a warm pan, and warm them up. A couple broken pieces, that's okay. If you roast them, it releases the oils, gives them a better flavor, but you have to be very careful. Because if you burn them, you got to throw them away and start all over again. This just takes a few minutes, don't walk away. So we're going to add oil to our pan. We're going to cook our shrimp. Let me swirl this around a little bit. Okay. Get those into the center. Sauce. All right, now I'm going to return the shrimp. Again, I don't want to dump the bowl in. I just know I'll end up splashing something. Stir it around, get them coated. All right, next we're going to add our nuts, our cashews. All right, next we're going to add sesame seeds. I'm ready for cashew shrimp. How about you?
Me too.
Okay.
This has to be one of the top 10 dishes she's ever made. Never made it before. We tried it the other day and wow. We went back for seconds and thirds and finished it up. It was fantastic.
All in one night.
So let's dig in.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, that sauce is so good.
Just as good or better than from a restaurant.
It's the hoisin sauce, right?
I think so. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
But a combination of all the different sauces, yeah, makes a difference.
Delicious.
Very good. Really happy with it. Definitely making this one again.
You guys should try this. Excellent.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We thank you for being here. Don't forget, new videos every Sunday and the recipes in the description box. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Maybe I feel
Really good for dinner.